Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Nintendo on Roku TV. First, make sure both your Nintendo console and Roku TV are completely powered off. This is a crucial first step for safe and effective setup. Next, identify the HDMI ports on both devices. You'll need a reliable HDMI cable, ideally 1 to 2 meters in length, to connect them. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your gaming experience. Now let's connect your console. Take one end of your HDMI cable and firmly plug it into the HDMI OUT port on your Nintendo console. Then, take the other end of the cable and connect it to an available HDMI in port on your Roku TV. It's a good idea to remember which HDMI input number you used, like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, as this will be important for selecting the correct source later. With everything connected, power on both your Roku TV and your Nintendo console. Grab your Roku remote and navigate to the home screen. From there, you'll need to select the correct HDMI input source. This is where remembering that HDMI 1 or HDMI 2 port comes in handy. Once selected, you should see your Nintendo console's display appear on your Roku TV, ready for action. If you encounter a no-signal message, don't worry. First, double-check all your HDMI cable connections to ensure they are firmly seated. Sometimes, simply trying a different HDMI port on your Roku TV or even a new HDMI cable can resolve the issue. Once connected, feel free to adjust your Roku TV's picture settings for the best gaming visuals and sound. Now, you're all set to enjoy your favorite Nintendo games on the big screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.